Hey, welcome to this channel. My name is Oliver and today we're gonna look at another session of trading with binary options. I'm trading on Quotex. The link is gonna be in the description to this video, as well as the Telegram group with a lot of useful information you can find about indicators, how it all works, how to read indications and patterns on your charts. And guys, let's just jump into the trading straight away. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Head to the description to this video for promo code if you want to make a deposit and get a bonus. Okay, we're gonna start today with another session, and what we're gonna do today is we're gonna use the alligator indicator, we're gonna use MACD indicator, and we're gonna trade with $9. I'm gonna start with the first option here. Is going to be a call option, as I see the indications for it. It's 1 minute and $9 to start with. So let's wait. And guys, we got a first profit here, $16.83. We're gonna put $16 in here, and we're gonna go with the next option. The next option is going to be, I usually change the currency, because I don't like to stay on the one currency for every option. It's better because you can find some other better options which you can make basically. And yeah, I mean guys, also don't forget about this group I said in Telegram. If you want to know how to read indications, let me know in the commentary section if you know how to read the indications or not, and if you're planning to learn it. I mean, because here right now I see an indication to go for a call option, $16 1 minute. Let's wait. And here we have, guys, I've used $16 and I just got it back because the option actually didn't go through, but we got the $16 back, so that's a good one. And now we're gonna go with a put option here. Guys, we got one more time, we have the same situation. I don't know what happens here with this currency, but I just went for another put option, and again $16, but it just came through again. It's crazy. Okay, let's wait a minute. Guys, this is crazy, but we get the $16 back again. This is absolutely crazy. So I've just used another put option. This currency is a bit crazy. I mean, I might have to go for the next one after this if this happens again or I lose. Okay, so let's wait a minute. Finally, we have the profit, guys, $29.92, and we're gonna go with $30 this time of the option. For the next option, and we're gonna go to a different currency. This one was rather painful, so yeah, we're gonna go with $30, and we're going to go, which one we're gonna go to? Yeah, by the way guys, let me know about your experience on Quotex, if you used any of the promo codes I've been posting. Let's go to this currency here. Okay, so this one is not bad actually. We're gonna go with the next option on this one. And looking at this situation here of the alligator, I can have a go at the call option here for 1 minute. Okay, let's wait. $56. Guys, already we have $56. It's been under 10 minutes, and we're gonna go with the next option. Wow, how that's going up. It's pretty good. Pretty good situation there. So we're gonna go with $56 next. I'm gonna change the currency. As I said, I don't like to stay on the same one, except for that crazy one that we had 5 times or something of the $16 block. Right, here we have a clear indication for a put option, and we're gonna go with it. So if you want to learn how to read those indications, head to the description to this video and learn for yourself how to do it. Okay, let's wait a minute. Guys, we have a good profit now, $104. So on the total we have 105.57 cents. So the next option we're gonna do is $100, and I'm gonna go for another option, and let's see. What do you think, guys? What do you think of this session so far? It's much faster if you place a higher option, because like when you start with something like $1 to get to 105, it's quite a long time. So we're gonna go with a call option here for $100 and 1 minute, and let's see how fast can we get to a higher balance today. And another great profit here, $187. That was 87%. So we have $192 in total on our balance. We're gonna go with $190 this time for this next option, and we're gonna go with, let's have a look. We're gonna go so looking at this indicator, I'm gonna go with a call option here. Let's have a look. Yeah, definitely a call option. So yeah, $109 call option and 1 minute. Let's wait. Guys, another awesome profit, $355.50, $357.87 on our balance already, and it's been only 15 minutes, just under. And as you see, it's a lot faster to go this way when you start with something like $9. We started today, I usually start with something lower, 5, 4, 3, 1, and today I just decided to start with $9 to see how fast we can get to. So see this indication here at the bottom, I'm just looking at it and having known the indicators, I know how to put an option, and it's a put option this time. So yeah, 350, 1 minute, and let's wait. $654.50, guys. This is another great profit here. So we're gonna go for the next option with $650, and we're gonna go with the next currency here and with the euros. So let's have a look. This indication here is showing us that the price is currently falling down, but it's getting up now a bit. So we're gonna go for a put option, as the big picture is showing us that the price is gonna go down for a while. So okay, let's wait. $1,215, guys. You see how quick this goes as far as the multiplying balance, because what happens here is that as soon as you get your balance multiplied by 2, you just almost by 2, it's 89% now. So let's go to this currency, and you just use the total of your amount. See this pattern here? I'm gonna go with the put option, because this is the clear pattern. If you want to know more about patterns, just go to the group for the information, and you'll understand why I'm doing this. So you just need to use the whole the total of your balance at this point for this strategy to work. Okay, let's wait for the result. Now that we have the possibility to use 1000, which is maximum options, we can do multiple options. And as you see, we had from this last option, we had 89% payout. We're gonna go with the put option here, this currency, and double multiple options. So now that we had 2000 there to use it, we done the multiple options. So let's see for the result. Okay guys, we just had the two options played out nice. So now the total of our account is 2,987 cents. So guys, now we can do another couple of options. I mean, it's almost 3 that we could have done, but we need to go for the next time, and we're gonna make the triple option. But right now I'm gonna go with the two options. Every time, like I said, every time you multiply your balance, you get your profit. You can use the entirety of it, almost in this case. So like I'm gonna use the only the square thousands, so that we can make, so that's just cleaner. I'm gonna go to this currency here, and I'm gonna go for, okay, so here I have the indication of the price rising at the moment a little bit, but we're gonna go with the put option, because what it does is the price tends to go up and down, and 1 minute time is enough for it to go back down and then go back up. So, and then also we have this pattern there. So let's wait for a minute and see how that plays out. $3,780 on this time. So now the total of the balance is 4,767. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna use multiple options again, and we're gonna go with 4 different options. Well, not different, the same one, but just we're gonna do a multiple option on the same stuff, So we're gonna go for the next currency. That looks pretty good. The price is actually dropping here. Maybe we go with a put option here. Not sure. Or a call option. Okay, we'll go with the put option. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, I mean, the indication here is pretty clear, but you gotta also think, do you have enough time? So I think we have enough time. So let's wait for the result. Okay guys, we have exactly the same again. 3,800 at a time. So right now we have $8,327. So guys, we're gonna stop right here, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all next time. Don't forget about the description to this video. Today was a good session. All the necessary information is in the description, and I'll see you all next time. Good luck, goodbye.